Hello, hello, hello. SalonDivaV in the place to be, my garden. So y'all, I just wanted to come and show you guys the front of the house. How the rose bushes are starting to bloom out. These petunias right here, look at them. They are showing off, all the way off. And these right here were some mums. They are growing back. This plant, y'all, was not here last year when I got that mulch, the video with that mulch. These, wherever they came from, they were cut down, and they had a couple of them mixed in with the mulch. When I tell y'all, these things grew back voluntarily. So all I did was, when I saw it growing back, I pulled it up from the backyard, put it in these pots, and they are growing like crazy. So this is a daisy that's growing in this plant with the aloe vera. Look at those roses, y'all. Look how beautiful. And then the pink ones are in the back. Back there we have that plant right there. And this grows very slowly. I've been having this plant for about 4 or 5 years. I'll put the name below. It's doing good. I think I'm gonna trim it up a little bit. Here is another of the, let me get the name right. So this is another petunia over here. This is my strawberries, which has been producing. That's another petunia, and there's nothing in there yet. I'm gonna plant something in there. So I just wanted to show you guys. These are those bare root strawberries that I got from Lowe's that did not do anything. So I think I'm gonna bring that back to Lowe's and get my money back. So yeah, y'all, just wanted to show you guys. Oh, I forgot. So look at this monster right here. And I don't know if this is seed pod or what, but y'all, look at that. My guess is those are seeds. And then there are pups in here also. You guys can see right back here, those are pups. Hey dudes. Okay, let's go over here to this section right here. So this is my hibiscus. This is another aloe vera. This is nettle leaf. This is bergamot. This is some more. This is hyssop right here. This is a calendula. This one I think this is some more hyssop. And this also. And then we have another petunia down there. So y'all, we are rocking and rolling with our herbs. I don't know if this is a weed that's growing in here or not, but I do have the Plant Parent app, so I will be looking that up to see if I need to pull it or not. So the front yard and garden area is doing excellent with my herbs. And oh look, I'll show y'all the pups. These are they call them pups in the back here. So this monster, this plant was for my daughter, and I repotted it, and it was actually too heavy for her to bring to her apartment. So there you have it. It's mama's baby now. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for joining me, watching this video of the front. Of course, I'm going to be adding some more flowers and things to this front area for this upgrowing year. But I just wanted to show you guys this part of the garden. It to me, it looks fabulous already. I cut down most of the weeds in there. I'm gonna go in and add some mulch and make it do what it do. And that's it, y'all. So thank y'all for watching the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's SalonDivaV in the place to be. You know what it is. Peace.